This video will show Webster University faculty how you may register your whole class for FactSet accounts in advance of giving them an assignment using this database. This process is called Bulk ID generation. FactSet provides extensive financial data on markets and companies, which allows users to perform in-depth analysis and develop investment strategies. FactSet web version is available to all Webster University users worldwide. FactSet requires that you first register for your own account before registering your students. You and your students may learn how to register for your own account on the library's FactSet Research Guide at library.webster.edu/FactSet. To navigate to it, begin at the library homepage at library.webster.edu and select the Research Guides button. In the Search All Guides box, type FactSet. Once on the Research Guide, the navigation menu provides pages to help with registering for an account, using FactSet in your course, and training materials. If you use a FactSet assignment, you may ask all your students to register for their own accounts using the instructions and videos on the FactSet Database Research Guide, or register all your students at once using a process that FactSet calls Request Bulk Academic IDs. Please do not do both. Students should only need one FactSet account their entire academic career at Webster. If a student already has an account, they should receive an email from FactSet with their original account information. The process for requesting bulk IDs with links to the CSV template and form is outlined on the Teaching with FactSet page on the FactSet Database Research Guide at library.webster.edu/FactSet/faculty. To access all library databases, including FactSet, begin at the library homepage at library.webster.edu. Next, select the Databases button. From the alphabetical menu labeled Know the Database You Want, select FactSet and the Go button. If prompted, authenticate into library databases using your Webster University single sign-on. Once you have registered as a professor for your own FactSet account, you may request bulk IDs for your entire class. From the library's FactSet login pop-up box, select the link for more information on registration of classes. From the second pop-up, select the link for the bulk ID request form. This opens the Request Single and Bulk Academic IDs page, hereafter referred to as the Directions page or document. Before proceeding with these directions, go to Step 4 of this document and download the Academic Bulk ID Request Template CSV file. Fill out the CSV template form with information on each student. For email, provide only the students at webster.edu email to verify that they are eligible students. FactSet will send the students' account information directly to this email. The workstation type depends on how you have designed your assignment. For most assignments, students will be able to use the web or online version of the database. Request the installed workstation only for advanced courses and assignments. The student's graduation date must be within 5 years and formatted as MM/YYY, for example, 05/2029, not May 2029. If opening the CSV template in Microsoft Excel, format the cells in this column to text before entering the date, or Microsoft Excel may automatically modify your entry. Save the file as a comma delimited or .csv spreadsheet. This is the only file format FactSet will allow you to upload. Return to the Request Bulk Academic IDs directions page. Follow the link in Step 1 to log into FactSet's Control Center at controlcenter.factset.com. From the Control Center menu, select Orders and Entitlements, and then Academic Procurement. If the Orders and Entitlements link is not active or is unavailable, contact academics at factset.com or the Business and Management Librarian. From the Academic Procurement menu page, select the Bulk Upload button to upload your completed CSV file. After uploading the file and clicking OK, you should see the Request Submitted message. Remind your students that their FactSet account information and login instructions will be sent directly to their Webster email in 1 to 2 business days, and that they should open the email and follow the directions to complete their account setup. If the email is not received, they should check their junk/spam folder. The Bulk IDs directions page provides additional information, for example, how to correct errors should they occur within the upload. At the bottom of the Academic Procurement page, you should be able to confirm if a student already has a FactSet account, as well as monitor the progress of each ID request. Remember, after you submit a Bulk ID request, tell your students to look for the FactSet email and complete the process. If you notice any changes to the account registration process as outlined in this video, please contact Mary Irwin at Webster University Library.